Ay nako, malas. Pauwi na lang from our Clark ride. This whole attachment na nakakabit sa bike nahuhulog sa EDSA. 5:30 a.m. So we're riding out again to Porch. Sabi na sa inyo, babalik kami. But right now, we're riding with a third person. So, eto, we now have someone who's joining us who's on a Triumph Speed Twin 900 and then Motoman's R1200 and of course our Ducati. So, Euro ride today. Walang Japanese. All twins. So you have all the different type of twins accounted for. You have the parallel twin, you have the boxer twin, and then you have the V twin. Yan, kompleto lahat ng format. So later, I guess when we're in Clark, we'll do a sound check on all three. So makikita nyo yung difference ng sounds. But ang hindi ko lang sure, I think, kasi I know the R1200, this one is already on Accra. Pero ito yata, stock pa rin ba to? I'm not sure if this is stock. Pero ours is also on Accra. Pero yung Accra nung R1200 still has the silencer. Okay, we'll be riding out. See you in Clark. Okay, magsa-sound check tayo ng tatlong bikes. Here's the keys. BM, Ducati, and the Triumph. So let's do a quick sound check. Okay, let's start with our Ducati. Move to the Triumph. Exhaust to, ah. Ito medyo kailangan upuan mo. Things shaking. There you go, the sound of our three different twins. So the three different engine and sound, the V-twin, the parallel twin, and then the BM's Boxer twin. Ay nako, malas. Pauwi na lang from our Clark ride. This whole attachment na nakakabit sa bike nahuhulog sa EDSA. Ayan, no? Look at the damage on the lens. Kabilaan. Tapos sa side din. Buti hindi nabasag yung glass. Ayan, no? It still works. Yun lang. Makikita mo yun sa video, may mga spots because of that. So I need to send this for repair. Malas nga eh. Pauwi na lang kami from Clark. Ang saya-saya na nung ride namin. Tapos pauwi kami, I decided na sabi ko mag-e-EDSA na lang ako kasi magpapagas ako. So nagpagas muna ako. I didn't take the Skyway. Buti na rin yata hindi ako nag-Skyway kasi doon sa EDSA nung nahulog siya, it took me around 20 to 30 meters bago ako nakahinto. Tapos naipark ko sa gilid ng gas station. Yung motor na nasa likod ko I was fortunate enough na napulot niya at inabot sa akin. Kung sa Skyway yun, medyo mas baka mahirapan pa ako if I was traveling faster. Pero yun nga, malas. Oh. Ayan, hulog. Natanggal siya buo eh. Pero ang weird eh, kasi mapapansin mo naman kung nakakabit sa bike mo, kung lumuluwang kasi iikot ito eh. Hindi naman umiikot yung pwesto, nakaharap pa rin sa akin. Ay, malas. I need to now decide how I'm going to have this thing repaired. Kasi I have two options. Locally, meron nagre-replace. But I can also send it to Hong Kong, but I have to ship it to Hong Kong. Hindi daw pwede i-walk-in. So I have to ship it to Hong Kong. Tapos plus shipping pa. So baka dito ko na lang ipagawa locally. Ay, malas talaga. Ouch! Loko. Tanga ko rin eh. Meron ako ng protective lens. Hindi ko kinabit kasi napapangitan ako sa quality. Ay, kakabili ko lang nito X4. Yung X2 ko ilang taon hindi ko nahulog ito. Ay, malas. Okay guys, thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.